I think something like a nouveau ring or something. Or it's a nouveau ring. What's up, guys? It is your girl, Bye Felicia, and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so y'all probably wondering why I'm dressed like this. That was because today we had a whole barbecue in Luau. I turned my whole backyard into like this little tropical little thing or whatever, and I have my little tiki lamps out there. Wait, hold on. Wait a minute. But while y'all waiting, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and make sure you share this video with your good Judy. So while y'all doing that, let me go show you. See it? Oh, I went and got me a grass skirt. Because what is the luau if you don't have a grass skirt? And I was going to commit to this whole thing. So we had us a whole little cookout. Let me not forget my legs. Because, you know, sis is going to get laid. I am. Y'all like it? Bam. So the reason why I'm here is because Amazon decided to just be so great to a girl, so great, and delivered me a package. And here it is. So I'm just get to open it up with you guys. Now my sister's here, so let's see. Open this up. Ooh, let's see. Come on, girl. Oh, shit. Wait a minute. Back up, China. Can y'all guess what it is so far? Look. So based off of this, you know what I got? You don't? Okay, cool. Let me finish unboxing. It's so fancy. Yeah, wait. Alright. So guys, this is what they don't tell you. But I hope y'all can see it. This is what I got right here. Basically, I didn't get to unbox my light, but my light came in the other day. But if you didn't get to see it, that means you're not following me on Instagram. So please make sure you following me on all social medias. I am on Instagram. You can check down in my description box. Bye Felicia. You can also check me out on TikTok.
It's a little sad right now, really sad, but help me out by going and just following the foolishness. Just go over there and just follow it. I promise you will be highly entertained. Highly entertained.
I'm thinking about a fans only. Leave a comment in the bottom and tell me what you think. I'm just kidding. I'm joking. But if you think I could successfully do it, you know, let us just know. Anyways, this is what I got. So I got this. It's a thing for my backdrop. So y'all get to watch me attempt to put it together. I think it's really self-explanatory though, because my light, she was real easy to put together. All right, so it's this nice little carrying case. All right, so this is the carrying case for my light. It came in this. And it had these little interchangeable little things to put on there, whatever. And I got this off of, on Amazon. So all of you new YouTubers that are out there, just like myself, let me go ahead and just spill it to y'all, because I don't know why people be wanting to hide stuff and make things seem so secretive. But anyways, I got these lights off of Amazon, and it's great, and I really like it. So bam, these are little changes and that's the little bag they go in. So now let's put this stand together. All right, so this look like one of the little tripod. If y'all see China around here, she's excited, just like her mommy when I'm opening up new stuff. So y'all gonna see her around. All right, so I open this up like so. All right, so this is one part. All right, so I'm assuming that's the same thing on the other side. All right. I'm trying to go get the trash can. You wanna go get it? So we got these little poles. And then the bag is empty. All right, so it's 40. You know how they be like in Hawaii? And they be having the little flames on there and they be like, whoosh. With the flame. Let me put this together. All right, for this part now.
That's the part that go across.
This part go across?
The whole thing.
Oh, these extend up. What do you mean? Cause this one, like this gonna be really big. Supposed to go in. Yeah. So this going here like this. Wow. We're getting it together. Bam. And then this go on here. So it has a little screw up here. You gotta take that off. Y'all, this is really big. Girl, this was more than $30 worth. All of this stuff that I got was very, let me tell y'all something. I'm like super cheap. I do have very expensive taste, but if it's coming out of my pocket, I know how to search for a very good bargain and good quality and good bargain. And so my lights that I got is definitely a good quality. What you think? So far, I think it's a good quality. And plus, I didn't even know it came with a carrying bag, to be honest, because a lot of the stuff that I was reviewing, some of the more expensive ones, I think something like a Nouveau ring or something, or is a Nouveau ring a birth control? It was something ring, okay? I'm sorry. But anyway, back to this Paul, back to what we doing. Putting this together, see? That's like focus on what I'm doing. All right, so I'm extending it. Babe, that's not, don't laugh at me. Don't do that. Oh, I can do limbo. Babe, don't be laughing at me. You think you go up further than this? Oh.
Get this girl.
All right, y'all, it's coming. It's coming together. This is a, I mean, this gonna have to stay together because this is a lot to be trying to pull out.
It's nice.
It is. Look at that. Look, y'all. Look at this. I'm gonna take y'all off this thing because I want to try to see all of this, girl. Because I feel so official right now. Let me tell y'all something. Ooh, yes. This is what. Let me get y'all off of here real quick. All right. So here is my light. My light is right here. Gorgeous, beautiful. And look at my stand. So this is what I just put together. So this is the bottom of it right here. Excuse my tray. Oh, look, I had little anklets too. You know, I had the whole little part. And then this is it, y'all. I feel so official. So this is the short version of it. It's probably what I'm gonna use most of the time. But it came with these two extenders to go along with it. It has some extra ones, some extra extenders. It gave me 2. So it was a total of 4 of these little poles. And so just imagine how big, you know, it's gonna be. Supposed to turn this into a whole little studio. Look at China. China, say hey. Say hey, mamas. Sit down. Sit down. Oh, you want to lay down? Oh, thank you. So this was my little setup outside. You know, my babies are out here. Like, your girl committed to the whole thing. My girl that I had to cook today. And if y'all follow me on Instagram, like you should be, y'all would know that I introduced this new little baby, and her name is Rose. She is a desert rose. Awesome, beautiful little girl. Beautiful. I can't wait till she gets big. And the rest of my little babies that I got over here, my whole little setup. So when I come outside, I literally just be out here chilling, y'all. Chilling. All right, so I'm about to wrap this up real quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, I had fun unboxing this stuff. Like, I had so much fun, and y'all got to see me in my little get up. I turned our little home, our oasis, into a little private island for us, and we had fun. So do whatever it is that you need to do so that you're able to continuously be at peace. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you share this video. And always love, peace, and chicken grease.